Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to send video in Google Drive link on iPhone so you can easily share large files without any trouble. Now let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your iPhone, or if you don't have it, you can use Safari and log into your Google account. Next, go to the folder where you want to upload your video. This helps keep your files organized and easy to find later. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, then choose the Upload File option. After that, tap on Photos and Videos from the menu. Select the video you want to upload from your iPhone's gallery. Make sure you choose the correct one before confirming. Now, wait for the upload to finish. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this might take a few moments. Once the video is uploaded, tap the three dots next to the file. This will open more options for sharing and managing the file. Choose Manage Access from the list. This is where you can set who is allowed to view, comment on, or edit the video. Change the access setting to anyone with the link. Then pick the role you want to assign: viewer, commenter, or editor. Finally, tap the link icon to copy the Google Drive video link. Now you can paste it into a message, email, or any platform you use to share it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful guides.